heartily welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be making a very simple recipe of chin-chin. What do you think when you hear of chin-chin, guys? When I hear of chin-chin, I think of festive periods and many other things. I remember the time my mother used to make this recipe back in those days, and it was during Christmas and the atmosphere was always fantastic. Alright guys, coming to the kitchen today with poise, enthusiasm and some charisma. Because when it comes to this recipe, we must pay it the due respect. So without much ado, let's start introducing the ingredients. So I have 4 cups of flour here in my sieve, some already sifted as you can see. The next thing we are going to be needing is 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. A pinch is a pinch. So we're going to sieve all these ingredients now. So I'm just going to mix the dry ingredients. Keep this aside. In another extra bowl, put 2 eggs and whisk. After whisking, add 100 ml of liquid milk and half a cup of sugar. Mix. Set this aside. Back to our dry ingredients. The next thing is to add a 1/4 cup of butter into the dry ingredients. Incorporate your butter into the dry ingredients until you obtain a coarse texture or a garlic-like texture. The next thing is to bring in your wet ingredients and add a quantity at a time while mixing. Feel free to use your hands, guys. At this stage, you can transfer this on a board and continue kneading from there. So we have our flour on our kneading board and we'll continue kneading from here. Okay guys, we knead until everything is smooth. Everything is perfect now. The next thing is to use our pizza cutter. I really advise on a pizza cutter. This has really made my work in the kitchen very easy when it comes to chin-chin making. You can also use a knife. So I'm just gonna get this into 4 halves and then we proceed from there. Alright, we have this. So the next step is to get a rolling pin. So this is how we do it. Place your rolling pin on your flour, grab it at both ends and apply some pressure. Roll to the front like this and then to the back like this. Flatten it out. Do it as flat as possible, but your final layer should not be too thin. This is the cross section of the thickness you want, because when you put this in oil, it's gonna increase in size. So the next step is to use your pizza cutter to make lines on your flattened flour. You make vertical and horizontal lines. Look at the spaces in between the vertical lines. Let's make the horizontal lines. So the next thing is to get a tray like this and sprinkle just a little bit of dry flour on the surface, because we're going to be transferring our cut chin-chin on this. So with both hands, gently lift up your already cut chin-chin from the board. So this is how I do it. If you have a sticky board, dust it up with a little bit of flour before rolling. But it's not the case here because our mixture was perfect. While putting your chin chin on your tray, do it carefully to avoid sticking. So I'm going to repeat the same procedure with this, and I'll see you later. Alright guys, this is everything displayed here. And the tip is to use several trays to avoid sticking. So what I do is that I put my chin chin on my spoon and then I gently lift it down into the oil. So guys, this is the best color for chin chin, golden brown and sparkly. Transfer everything into a strainer, cover with paper towel. Do the same thing with the rest of your chin chin, guys. See you later with the final results. This is our final product, guys. So tasty and crunchy. Your taste buds are going to thank you for this, and thank me later too. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your time with me in the kitchen. I would like to take out time to thank all of you who have been commenting, subscribing, sharing and liking. It means a lot to me. Please continue to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you guys once more for watching. Love and light. Bye bye.